Interior's all blue. It's in pretty good shape. Driver's seat's got a little rip in it, but most of it's actually pretty solid. It does have the bumpers. Tons of trim. I bet most, if not all, of the trim is here. Center console. I do have the middle piece for that. Originally a white car with blue interior. Solid. They all usually rust out back there. Lower quarters solid. Same on this side. Solid. Floor pan's pretty solid. Does need a trunk pan. Couple of braces on the ends by the rockers are kind of rotten. But yeah, bottoms of the fenders, minimal rust down there. It's got a little tweak in the grill. It probably needs a new grill, which I could throw in a different grill. Yeah, solid car. $6 grand, but I need to get it out of here. So if anybody's interested, shoot me an offer.